I'm Joyce with LMArena, and today I'm here with An, the lead engineer on Video Arena. An, can you tell us what Video Arena is?
Video Arena is one of our arenas where you can generate videos for free using the latest AI models.
And you're going to walk us through it?
Yeah, let's do it. When you go into LMArena.ai now, you'll have a new button to generate videos. You can click that to get into video modality. And from here, you can give it a prompt, hit submit, and generate your video, or you can also include an image. I have a couple of images prepared, so I'll go ahead and do that. And these images are also generated by AI as well. And I also have a pre-saved prompt that I'll drop in here. You can just say, make this image move and you'll get a video, but you might not get a very good video. Typically what you want is to include as many details as possible so that the video models have more items to work with. So here we're describing the dog, what it's doing, and we're also describing the camera, how the camera is moving. It's orbiting 360 at eye level, and the dog is turning its head proudly towards the sinking sun. And we're also describing the lighting. So as many details as possible is going to give you the best possible video output. So now that we have that, we can hit submit and let it generate.
I noticed you didn't read. Is it because Samoyed is hard to say?
Yes. I looked at it, I was like, the dog.
That's a long prompt.
Cool, so this finished, they're both finished generating. Let's go ahead and take a look. This is the first video. Wow, that's really good. The camera is turning 360 and our Samoyed was turning as well. And let's take a look at the second one. That is also really good.
That's gonna be hard to choose.
Yes.
They both had snowflakes whipping around.
Yes, so let's take a look at this again. These models are so good, and so oftentimes I have to see a video a few times before I can make a decision. But I have a feeling like I like this one more just because of the tail and how the snow is moving. So I'm gonna vote for the second one. Wow, that was from Kling 2.6 Pro, and the other one is from Hailuo 2.3. Both really good videos, and I like the second one a little bit more.
Is Kling typically a better model than Hailuo?
Now let's go ahead and take a look at the leaderboard. As you can see, top models are VO 3.1 and Sora 2 Pro, and WAN 2.5, Cdance, Kling 2.6 Pro, and Hailuo 2.3 as well. It's a little bit more in the middle of the pack.
So the leaderboard agrees with your vote?
The leaderboard agrees with my vote.
And I saw 2 different video leaderboards. What's the difference?
So we have one for text to video, which is just text input with no images. And we have one for image to video, which is including when you are attaching an image, similar to what we just did. And you can see the ranking is slightly different on this one, but also agrees with what we just voted, which is Kling 2.6 over Hailuo 2.3. So some models are much better at image to video generation.
Why would that be?
If the model is optimized for image to video, it might be better at processing the image information that we submitted versus just reading the text prompt. So there's a little bit more work in the image to video models than just the text to video ones.
What's the range of time it takes? Is there
a
cap?
1 to 5 minutes on average. Mm-hmm. And the longest models could take up to 7 minutes.
And we let it run for the full time?
And we just let it run for the full time, yeah.
All right, thank you, An. If you want to get started making videos for free, you can go to LMArena.ai and select the video modality. And don't forget to vote just like An did, because every vote counts and informs our leaderboards. Thank you, An.
Thank you.